everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Life. Hope you all are doing well and having a great day. As you all know, we talk about new projects, new tokens, and I always try to introduce those projects in which you can invest and get a good return. I have another project to share with you all. That is a great project coming. So, let's move to our side. I'll let you know about all the details about project. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. All right, so this is our project for today. It's PNSR, the next generation technology towards new system monetization. The platform that helps investors to make easy to purchase and sell their tokens. Here we have the details to the pre-ICO. Pre-ICO, the one BNSR will be for $0.01, and next phase BNSR will be for $0.04. So you have 23 days and 12 hours left to join this, and then in the next phase, the one BSR would be for 0.04. So you can buy token right now. You have direct link to buy. You have to create your account, and then you can buy the token. This is the link to register your account, and then you can sign in easily. So all you have to do is first you have to sign up your account. You have to put your name, email, password, and then it's so easy to create your account. Then you can go for sign in process and you can buy your tokens right from BNSR website. Okay, so let's move to our website next, and what we have is okay, so let's talk about BNSR. What is BNSR? So BNSR Finance is a decentralized currency that will be traded in the exchanges with low fee and fast transaction. BNSR, it's an open source based on Binance Smart Chain. Smart contract BEP20, it's for the development and monetization for the transaction, fast and low fee. So phases of ICO is mentioned here. The pre-ICO launch pricing will be at 0.01 for a total shares of 1 million BNSR. This is the phase 1 of total 100 phases of this project. Next phase will launch at 0.04 for a total shares of 1 million BNSR. And then the very next phase will increase 0.035 for each 1 million until we reach the total number of 100 million BNSR. Then we'll launching listing on the market. And then the second feature they will be doing is card visa only for you, our users. Your prepaid card easily, safety and quickly request. It is easy. No need to register with a very initiative process, secure transfer. You will get your money in the safest way, fast. You will receive the money in your prepaid card in minutes. And then the third thing they will be doing is reward mechanism, airdrop BNSR, 350 BNSR free. Register in our platform, join in Telegram and comment, join in Twitter and share all posts, complete the form here. There is 10 million BNSR for free. So you can join their airdrop as well. You can grab their, claim your airdrop. All you have to do is to register in their platform, join in their Telegram and comment, and then join the Twitter. And you have to share all the posts. This is the link to their Telegram community. You can join their Telegram community, and then we have the link to their Facebook as well. So you must have to join their social channels, so you'll be notified about all the upcoming things in their project, and you can have better information about their community and their team. Then we have the link to their Twitter account as well. You can follow them on Twitter, and you have to follow them on Twitter if you want to participate in their airdrop. So this is a Twitter account of BNSR Finance. You can follow them right here, and then we have the tweets here. You can check it out that they are doing different type of giveaways, and the last giveaway they done was for 100k BNSR, and then 10k BNSR, etc. So you can find it on their Twitter account, and you will be notified about all the things, giveaways, etc. from their Twitter and social channels. All right, so if you're thinking that why you should choose BNSR, so it's a secured user data platform, then most credibility, flexibility, and easy to use and big data insights. Okay, so let's talk about contest 10k BNSR, $10k BNSR. So you can participate in this contest. They have mentioned your Twitter as well. To participate to the 1 million BSNR contest, send 0.012 BNB to this address. They have given this contract address. You have to send the 0.012 BNB to this address, and then copy your sending address in the field below. The contest will be live on Telegram group on October 18, 2021. We will choose the happy winner. So you can participate in this just by sending a little amount of BNB to this address, and then you can win about 1 million BNSR So this is a link to participate in this contest. All you have to do is to send this BNB to this address, and then the copy or sending address from the link here. So this is a short introductional video about BNSR. I'll let you watch this at the end of my video. So here we have funding allocation and token allocation. You can check it out that what they have preserved for their partners, investors, business development, operational, product development, 40% and 20% for marketing. And then we have token allocation as well. So here you can see that what they have preserved for their partners, legal and regulation, business development, operational, product development, and marketing. Okay, let's talk about BNSR distribution roadmap. With help from our team, contributors, and investors, these are the milestones we are looking forward to achieve. So the start date is started August 8, 2021, 9 a.m. GMT. And then BNSR exchange rate is 1 BNSR is equal to $0.001. Number of BNSR for sale is mentioned here, except in currencies is BNB, Ethereum, and USDT, TRC20. So you can buy BNSR right from these tokens. You can buy either from BNB, Ethereum, or USDT. Then the sale will be ending on October 30, 2021, and minimum transaction is 100 BNCR. You have to buy at least 100 BNCR. So this is the roadmap. March 2021 start of the ICO crypto platform development, and in August 2021 ICO platform BNSR launch with full solutions. October 2021 BNSR wallet full version release. Feb 2022 listing BNSR in exchanges, so they will be listing in many exchanges as well. And then May 2022 distribution of the cards Visa. So you know what they have planned, and then the roadmap, BNSR distribution roadmap is mentioned here. Jan 2021 start, August and then March number of BNSR for sale, and May end of and at the end of October 30 they will be ending their sale, and in July 2021 BNSR exchange rate, September 2021 acceptance. Currencies, they have mentioned everything on their roadmap and website, so you can check it out to know what they will be what they have planned to achieve in future and what they have already doing. So they're in their ICO phase 1. You can buy from their ICO phase 1 right now. And then the details of BNSR wallet features, you can download this right from their website. You can manage your wallet, global trading. You can do global trading, reward and bonus, and stay with friends. So you can download this right from here. You have a direct link to buy, and then their team details as well. We have the team details on their website. Okay, some of the frequently asked questions you might be having in your mind about airdrop. So yes, sure, there is 350 BNSR for all users free. Join in Telegram and Twitter. Share the pin message in Twitter. More information is mentioned here, and you can participate in airdrop. Then what exchanges will be listed? It depends on the success of the ICO. Will be listed in Binance. That's great. How can I participate in the BNSR sale? Just register and buy it from our platform. And then how do I benefit from the BNSR? According to our expert, it reaches $1 after being included in the platforms. That means we'll hit 100x in the month. So these are the answers you might be having in your mind about BNSR. Then they have mentioned their contact details, their WhatsApp number, their Telegram community, and email address if you have any type of query or if you want to get in touch with them. So you can simply contact them on the given details. And we have again the links to the social channels that you must have to follow if you want to participate in their airdrop, and if you want to know more about the project, and if you want to be notified about their giveaways and launching, etc. So you must have to join the social channels. Then you have their white paper as well. You can download this and go through it if you want in detail information about the project, what their vision is, what their mission is, and what they will be doing for their investors. So you can go through website by yourself. I'll provide the link in the description. Do your own research, check out by yourself, and if you like it, so you can invest in it, you can join them. Just create your account and buy the tokens and hold it. So I hope you like the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.
Welcome to the financial world of the future with BNSR Finance, the best crypto banking finance services for all your project financing needs and more. Do you want to finance your study project at university or at a private school? Or finance the construction of your house? Look no further. You've come to the right place. BNSR Finance provides 100% decentralized banking service to help you finance your future projects. What is BNSR Finance? BNSR is an improved Ethereum Gold mechanism with more security as well as rewards in Multicoin to ensure greater gains to all investors. We aim to publish BNSR token on Binance Exchange platform very soon, and BNSR Visa cards will be distributed to BNSR token holders and investors. It's projected that BNSR cryptocurrency will be 20 times once listed on the Binance Exchange. The BNSR ICO will progress for 100 phases. For each phase, the token price will increase by 0.025 cents. And after the ICO, the price of one BNSR will be at least $2.98 when listed on the exchanges. Opportunities like this doesn't present itself always. This is another good opportunity for you to earn good income on your investment. Invest with BNSR ICO today and allow your money to work for you.